Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple tutorial video here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix DDE server Windows Onedrive.exe application error. So let's start the video. First of all, right click here on your start button here and go to Task Manager, click here, and after that this window will pop up. Here go to here go to details, and now scroll down to find OneDrive application, and here is OneDrive.exe. It is currently running. Right click it here and select end task here, and end process select, and after that go to startup, and here scroll down, and here you can see Microsoft OneDrive. It is enabled. Right click it here and select disable and minimize this one, and after that restart your PC and your problem will be fixed. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video, and I will catch you guys in the next video.